Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Coach Presh. In today's video, I'll be showing you simple step-by-step process that you can actually use to make money online through affiliate marketing. Now, if this is your first time of actually visiting this channel, kindly hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell as I share tips on how you can actually make money online from the comfort of your home. So to get started, we're going to actually go to this website called Stake. Stake is a website that will actually get our referral links, products that we are going to promote. So before we get started with Stake Cut, what exactly is affiliate marketing? For those of you who have little knowledge about affiliate marketing is when you actually promote other people's products and you earn a commission for every single sale you make. You don't even need to have your own products. All you just need to do is actually share a unique link and immediately people buy it from it, you will earn your commission. Now, this might sound difficult at first, but it's quite easy. All you have to do is follow the step-by-step process I'm going to share with you in this video. Now, we are going to need three websites to actually make this a success. First, the website we are going to actually use to get the product, which is this Stake Cut. The next one is Telegram, since this whole teaching here, this whole video is about using Telegram to actually promote your product. I'm going to show you how you can actually grow a Telegram page and use it to actually market your product. So stay tuned, watch the very end. And the last one is where we are going to have the site that we are going to use to drive traffic to our Telegram page, to get people to actually subscribe to our Telegram page. So stay tuned, watch this video to the very end so that you do not miss out on anything. Let's get started. So to get started with Stay Cut, all you have to do is click on the sign up button and you'll be asked, since if you don't have an account yet, you have to click on the sign up again here, and from there you fill in your details. So I'm going to go ahead and fill in my details and create an account with Stake. Then we head back right to how we can actually get our product. So I'll be dropping the link in the description so that you can just easily click on it and it will take you straight to the website. Let me go ahead and fill my details. I'll take you right back to the place whereby you can select our products. So after you filled your details, all you just need to do is actually click on create my free account, because it's a free account. There are different websites though that I would have recommended, but for a beginner, this one is the best for you, since you will not need to pay any money to register on this website. If not, there are other ones that you can actually use, but you have to pay money and register. So, but if you are used to this one, you can actually make more inquiry. I'll be dropping different affiliate websites that you can promote their product and make money. So if you feel you can afford to pay money to get started with the affiliate program, then no problem. I will drop the website, other websites that you can actually use to sign up for affiliate marketing. So after you've signed up, this is the page you will get. We have to ignore all this page. Although if you have the resources, you can go ahead and watch these videos. So we have to go down and click on this link here where it said, please continue to your Stake Cut dashboard. So let's click on it. So this is the page you will get to. Immediately you get to your dashboard. This is how your dashboard will look like. Now, how do you get product? Here you can see my total earnings is 0 as I just created this account right now. So how do you get your affiliate link? So to get our affiliate link, all we need to do is scroll down. Even if you're using mobile device, it's the same. And the good thing about this affiliate marketing is that you don't even need a laptop for it. You don't even need to actually go and create a website. Just follow the step-by-step process and you are good to go. So you have to scroll down here. You see marketplace. You can click on the marketplace. It will show you products that you can actually promote. All you have to do, let's just pick any product, like this very first product here. Let's click on promote so that we can get our own unique affiliate link. So this is it. You can see the price for this particular product is $2.5 and you're going to get 80% commission, although the product itself is not expensive. So you can, if you want to promote low price products like this, it's left for you. But left for me, what I do is that I search for products that are within the range of $10 to actually promote. That way, you know, be it 50% commission, 80% commission, 60% commission, you know, even just making a sale, you will get something out of it. Why this person here is actually looking, if you're promoting this product, you need to make about 10 sales to make $20. Why, if you promote a product that are within the range of $10 to $20, let's even say $20, let's not high it too much, and you are going to even get 50% commission. If you make 10 sales, that's already $100 for you already. So you can scroll down here and see copy affiliate link below. So all you have to do, there's a link here. You can click on this link here that says click to copy, or you can just highlight it here and copy your link. So this way, this is your affiliate link that you can actually copy. We are going to ignore that link since we are actually using Telegram for the promotion of this link. So we are going to just take it like this. So now we head over to Telegram. How do we now promote this thing on Telegram? Are we not just going to start going to different groups and dropping affiliate links? No. Now there's an easy way to actually do this. All you have to do is actually create a Telegram channel. I didn't say Telegram group, I said Telegram channel. So how do you now create a Telegram channel? To create a Telegram channel, you can see this pen icon here. This pen icon under here, all you have to do is click on it. Even if you are using a mobile device, it's like that. Click on the pen icon here and you will see create a new channel. You click on the create a new channel, you will see you can give it a name. Now, for you to promote a product, you should actually promote a niche-based product so that when you are talking about this particular product in your Telegram channel, it's all in the same category. You don't wake up today and start talking about, for instance, you can't wake up and say health, healthy benefits, how to stay healthy, and you're promoting health products. Then the next minute you switch back to how to monetize your YouTube channel, for instance. You can't just be switching from one category to another. So you have to promote niche-based product, focus on that particular niche and go out in line with it. And so if you're looking for affiliate marketing website to promote this link and it doesn't have the kind of product that you are looking for, go for the affiliate marketing networks that have the kind of product that you are looking for. Then you can start making posts, create posts about this certain product, or create posts that are in line with a product that you want to promote. ChatGPT is there to actually help you. Maybe in the next video, I will show you how you can actually craft a post using ChatGPT. ChatGPT, you can even tell ChatGPT, you can prompt ChatGPT to give you up to 30 different posts that is related to a particular niche, and ChatGPT will craft it out for you. And these posts, you can be posting them daily. You can also be posting them 2 times in a day. So all you have to do, put in your channel name here. Let's say you want to promote affiliate marketing, for instance. Then we can actually drop our description like how become a multi-millionaire with affiliate marketing. So even if I want to even change the name, let's say I want to even focus on make money online niche, I can as well say and with Coach Presh. I can give it a name like this, or you can just say use anything that is related to your niche or make money online. Let's just use the most popular name here, make money online. Then from here, can just paste this description, proving method, then click on this arrow icon here, and you are good. You can go ahead and add different people to this group, because for you to create a Telegram channel, you will need to add people to the group. So let's just go. I can click on and just next, and boom, the group is live. You can see make money online. Although I didn't add any picture, I can as well go ahead and add different picture to this. And that is it. You now have a Telegram group about make money online. You can go ahead and start posting, write a post, impute your link inside that post. Like I said, you can use ChatGPT for this. It's quite easy. Okay, for the purpose of this video, after you've actually created this Telegram, you do not have much subscribers. Now, how do you actually promote these subscribers? You can actually join different groups on Telegram and drop your links there. Make a reasonable comment and say, okay, you can make one line. I saw something like this. Drop it. Then the another means of how you can actually get people to subscribe to your channel and start promoting to them immediately. That is where the third website comes in. It's what? Owo Daily. This particular website is where they can also make money from this particular website just by actually completing some basic job tasks. I actually dropped a video about it, and I also dropped the link here, or you can watch it here as it's showing up there. That's the link. Just click on it so you can watch the video on how you can actually make money with this particular website. So how do you now drive people to your Telegram page here? All you have to do is click on this place here that they said jobs. You can see jobs, cashback, rewards, payouts, and credits. Just click on jobs. If you are here to earn, you can click on available jobs and complete some task there, and you will earn money. So, but for the purpose of this, we are going to look for how we can actually get people to visit our Telegram channel. So how do we do this? We go to hire micro workers and click on it. From this page, you can see Nigeria, Africa, United States, Canada, and United Kingdom. So all you have to do is, what exactly do you want to do? We're not going to click on affiliate reward because we just want to promote our Telegram channel. Now, the good thing about this website is that you don't even need to use it for only affiliate marketing. You can actually use it to grow your Telegram page. So you scroll down here and you will see Telegram. Click on it, scroll down and you see join group. Click on it since you want people to join. Scroll down again. You can select the number of people you want to subscribe to your YouTube channel. So so for a start, you can actually get 500 people to subscribe to your Telegram channel. So all you have to do is type 500 here, reduce the amount of money that you are going to offer. Let's say 15. You can click on if you want to request a screenshot or not. Then scroll down, said job description. Join the provided Telegram group using your main account. Submit a screenshot showing the group is joined and visible in your chat list. Then here you can see start job. Or all you have to do is actually go to your Telegram page, copy your Telegram. So how do you get your Telegram URL? All you have to do is go back to that your group again. Click on the name of your Telegram channel. Then scroll down. You can see the group link here. Click on it and it has been copied already. So all you have to do, come back to the Owo Daily and paste. So before we continue, I actually forgot to actually explain something to you here. You scroll up back, go up, you know, you have to select the country that you want to actually promote to. But for this purpose, you are going to select Nigeria because our target audience for this video is Nigeria. You can go ahead and promote to any other part of Africa. You can promote to United States, you can promote to Canada and the United Kingdom. So let's scroll down again to continue. So from here, you can see pay job campaign fee. So all you have to do is pay the job campaign fee because the people that are actually going to subscribe to your YouTube channel, the purpose of them coming is that this website is a website whereby they can earn. So that way you'll be able to promote your Telegram and get as much subscribers as possible to your Telegram channel. And from there, you can start promoting your products to them with your own specific channel. That way, you don't have any problem. You already have a target audience, and you can also go ahead. You can do the same thing for WhatsApp. You can create a WhatsApp group, use the same method, and you can promote to them. So I'll be making more videos on how you can actually make money using affiliate marketing. So subscribe to this channel also because in my next video, I'll be dropping prompts that you can actually use to actually create a post using ChatGPT. So that is it, guys. Once again, thank you for watching this video. If you haven't subscribed to this channel, kindly hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell as I'll be dropping more videos regarding affiliate marketing and other tips on how to make money online. Be the first to see this video. So thank you and see you on the next video.